Dear students, today we will be solve some division of algebraic expressions, chapter 4.2, number 17, x cube plus y cube divided by x plus y. At first, x cube divided by x cube divided by x equal x square. So x square multiply with x plus y, x square multiply with x equal x cube, then x square multiply with y equal x square y. According to the division law, symbol will be changed. Plus symbol change will be minus symbol. Here plus x cube minus x cube equals 0. Then we can write minus x square y plus y cube. Now minus x square y divided by x equal minus xy. Minus xy multiply with x plus y. At first minus xy multiply with x minus x square y. Then minus xy multiply with y equal minus xy square. According to the division law, symbol will be changed. Minus x square y plus x square y equals 0. Then we can write xy square then plus y cube. Now xy square divided by x equal y square. That means plus y square multiply with x plus y. At first y square multiply with x equal xy square. Then y square multiply with y, that means plus y cube. According to the division law, symbol will be changed. Plus xy square minus xy square equals 0 plus x plus y cube minus y cube equal 0. So the required quotient is x square minus xy plus y square. Number 18, a square plus 4axyz plus 4x square y square z square divided by a plus 2xyz. At first, a square divided by a equal a multiply with a plus 2xyz. At first, a multiply with a equal a square. Then a multiply with 2xyz equal plus 2axyz. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. plus a square minus a square equals 0. 4axyz minus 2axyz equal 2axyz plus 4x square y square z square. Now 2axyz divided by a equal 2xyz plus 2xyz. 2xyz multiply with a plus 2xyz. At first 2xyz multiply with a, that means 2axyz. Then 2xyz multiply with 2xyz, that means 2 to the 4, x and x equal x square, y into y equal y square, z into z equal z square. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus 2axyz minus 2axyz equals 0. Plus 4x square y square z square minus 4x square y square z square equals 0. So the required quotient is a plus 2xyz. Question number 19. 16 p to the power 4 minus 18 q to the power 4 divided by 2p plus 3q. At first 16 p to the power 4 divided by 2p. Here 16 divided by 2 equal 8. P to the power 4 divided by p equal p cube. At first 8p cube multiply with 2p plus 3q. Now 8p cube multiply with 2p equal 8 to the 16. P multiply p cube equal p to the power 4 plus 3 8 is 24 p cube q. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus 16 p to the power 4 minus 16 p to the power 4 equals 0. Then we can write minus 24 p cube q minus 81 q to the power 4. Now minus 24 p cube q divided by 2p. Minus 24 divided by 2 equal minus 12. P cube divided by p equal p square. Then q minus 12 p square q. Minus 12 p square q multiply with 2p plus 3q. At first minus 12 p square q multiply with 2p. 12 to the 24 minus 24 p square multiply with p, that means p cube into q. Minus multiply plus equal minus 12 multiply 3 equal 36 p square. Q multiply with q equal q square. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Minus 24 p cube q plus 24 p cube q equals 0. So we can write 36 p square q square, then minus 81 q to the power 4. Now 36 p square q square divided by 2p, 36 divided by 2 equal 18, p square divided by p equal p, then q square plus 18p q square. Now plus 18p q square multiply with 2p plus 3q. At first 18p q square multiply with 2p, 18 to the 36, p multiply with p equal p square, then q square. Next 80p q square multiply with 3q, 18 3 the 54, p q square multiply with q, that means q cube. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Plus 36 p square q square minus 36 p square q square equals 0. Then we can write minus 54 p q cube, then minus 81 q to the power 4. Now minus 54 p q cube divided by 2p, minus 54 divided by 2 equal 27, minus 27, p divided by p equal 1, then q cube. Minus 27 q cube multiply with 2p plus 3q. At first minus 27 q cube multiply with 2p, minus 27 multiply with 2 equal minus 54 q cube multiply with p q cube, minus multiply plus equal minus 27 multiply with 3 equal 81, q cube multiply with q equal q to the power 4. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Minus 54 p q cube plus 54 p q cube equals 0, minus 81 q to the power 4 plus 81 q to the power 4 equals 0. So the required quotient is 8p cube minus 12p square q plus 18p q square, then minus 27 q cube. Number 20, 64 minus a cube divided by a minus 4. Here both the expressions are arranged in descending order of the powers of a. At first minus a cube divided by a equal minus a square. Now minus a square multiply with a minus 4. At first minus a square multiply with a, that means minus a cube. Then minus a square multiply with minus 4, that means minus minus plus 4a square. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Minus a cube plus a cube equals 0. then we can write minus 4a square plus 64. Now minus 4a square divided by a equal minus 4a. Now minus 4a multiply with a minus 4. At first minus 4a multiply with a, that means minus 4a square. Then minus 4a multiply with minus 4 equal minus, that means plus 4 4 is 16a. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Minus 4a square plus 4a square equals 0. So we can write minus 16a plus 64. Now minus 16a divided by a equal minus 16. Now minus 16 multiply with a minus 4. At first minus 16 multiply with a, that means minus 16a. Minus multiply minus equal plus 16 multiply with 4. 16 4 is 64. According to the division law, their symbol will be changed. Minus 16a plus 16a equals 0. Plus 64 minus 64 equals 0. So the required quotient is minus a square minus 4a minus 16.